Everything is going good, but I'm worried about Bholi. What will be her future? God knows. How will she carry on herself after me?
Ma, she's sitting there again, doing nothing.
She always does that. Like she does not belong to us. Bholi, come here.
Do not irritate her. Maybe she wants to speak but is scared. She also has feelings like us, but she is unable to express it.
See, even birds are running away from her. If she tries, she can speak, but she is just lazy. Speak, Boli, speak.
When she was 10 months old, she fell from the cot. Since then, she has never been like other children. I don't know how her future will be shaped up.
Bholi, Ma, you are here. God tests some people more than others. Bholi is a girl child. Do not worry, something would be good for Bholi. Certainly, God would have planned something better for her in future. God bless Bholi.
She was fair once, so beautiful. Oh God, help her.
Bholi Ma, where are you? My son is ready for college. It is a moment of pride. He will become an officer and we will be called mother and father of an officer.
And our daughters? Radha is married, Mangla's proposal is fixed, and Champa will be the next.
But what about Bholi? Who will marry her? Who will accept her?
I think no one. God knows.
Bholi Ma, Tehsildar Sahab has called me.
Why? Whether something has gone wrong?
No, I don't know. Let me check why has he called. May I come in, Sahab?
Yes, Ramlal, come.
What wrong have I done, Sahab?
No, Ramlal, nothing. I have called you for one very important purpose. Sit down, Ramlal. I am very happy to announce that a new primary school for girls has opened. Education is not just for sons. Girls also deserve it. One educated girl can educate her whole family. So it is important to educate them. Ramlal,
Yes, Sahab.
you are Nambardar. Set an example. Send your daughter Bholi to school. At least she can earn for herself after being educated.
But Sahab,
What but? No if and but. You should be the first person to send your daughter to school. You all also get ready to send your daughter to school.
yes, Sahab.
What happened? What Tehsildar Sahib told? Why are you so sad?
A new girl primary school has been opened in our village and Sahab has told me to send Bholi to school.
School? Girl? Bholi? No, never.
But Tehsildar Sahab, how can I ignore him? Refusing the Tehsildar is not easy.
Okay. Bholi has no future anyway. At least, school cannot spoil the future of what society has already rejected. Let the teachers have the burden of Bholi.
Bholi beta, come with me. I am going to take you at a place.
No!
It is a school. You will be getting education here.
This place must be better than house.
Come here, my child. What is your name? Why, my child? Why are you crying? When I first came into the school, I was also not able to answer. When children learn to walk, they fall many times, but finally succeeds. Try again.
Bholi.
Yes, very good. Bholi, say it aloud. Will you come tomorrow?
Yes. Years have passed. The village has become a small town. Bholi has grown up, and now she's a teacher in the same school where she has learned. Bholi's marriage proposal is being discussed by her parents.
Bholi Didi, you do not laugh when we do mistakes.
Oh, my dear, mistakes are how we learn. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning and growing.
Bholi Ma, Bisambarnath has given proposal for Bholi's marriage. Should we accept it?
Visambarnath is rich. He does not demand dowry.
But he's old and cruel. How will our daughter adjust with him?
Cruel men marry beautiful women too. At least he accepts her. He loves her and wants to marry her. He also does not know about Bholi's pockmarks and her senselessness. He is rich and Bholi will live her golden days.
Bring the bride.
She is ugly. I demand 5,000 rupees right now. You will have to pay.
Please, my honor, mercy, have mercy.
Bholi Papa, take this money and hand over this to him.
No, Papa. No need of giving money. I was silent as I was afraid. Today I speak because I respect myself.
Bholi, please keep quiet. We live in a society.
Let it, Papa. What has society given me? I will not ruin myself. I am there to take my stand. You wanted money, not a wife. But I cannot marry a greedy, mean person like you. Get out from here.
What will you do now? Now you are all alone.
I will teach. I will live with my dignity. My teacher has taught me how to live with heads up. I will work for other girls like me. And I will lead the path of education for girls in my village. Go ahead.
We are with you. This is education's real victory.